Anscoff, certified most accurate by Weather Rate.
Here's a look at our WeatherBug Network camera from the Graduate Hotel. And if you've been to Lights of the Ozarks, beautiful display. Make sure you check out Obi, the big white dog. That's very close to the Fayetteville Town Center. You also got a new tree that's happening, a Christmas tree that they've got lit up. And I love the lights. It's always so nice. And the lighting ceremony on Friday was just amazing weather. Temperatures right now, pretty nice, mid-50s. Got light winds. Notice the wind suck, though, starting to pick up on the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see it come into view. That's that northwesterly wind that's about to drop the temperatures a little more. So there's that cold front that's sliding southeast, and watch these blue shades and the temperatures drop south overnight tonight. So that northerly wind is about to kick in. As the front pushes farther away, our pressure gradient will increase, and that's going to increase those winds across the area. Now, Wednesday morning, we'll have light winds. They will be out of the northwest, so you've got wind chills in the mid to upper 20s. It's going to be a cold, packing start to the morning. And then Wednesday afternoon, see those high temperatures climbing into the 40s and 50s. Northwest Arkansas will be in the mid to upper 40s. That's a chilly one, no doubt. It'll be a little cooler than what we've seen the last several days. Thanksgiving morning, it's cold turkey across the area. Wind chills will be right around freezing. By Thursday afternoon, those temperatures will climb to around 50 degrees. Here's that two-day forecast timeline showing you dropping down on Wednesday, dropping down on Thursday. What is this garbage right here? 62? No, we only wish it would be that warm. It's going to be a lot colder. You got to love the model. Sometimes that does that. So we'll take that out and we'll adjust that accordingly. Here's a look at the River Valley forecast in the upper 30s. Notice the high temperatures Thursday afternoon climbing into the middle 50s. So it will be nice for Thanksgiving afternoon. Now, in the European model, we're taking a look at the big picture because there's a lot of uncertainty with what happens next week. But we know over the next few days, quiet weather expected. Notice that return flow that starts to begin Friday. Cloud cover on the increase, and we've got widespread rain coming over multiple states, the southern plains, the mid-south, the central plains. Big low pressure system. Snowy to the north of Kansas City, also for Chicago, too. So if you're going to the Razorback basketball game on Thursday, there won't be any problems weather-wise. Might be some snow on the ground from the system tomorrow. That is going to be, again, Thursday morning. Then that system starts to move out. You can see some wraparound precipitation developing. But I think, personally, Monday and Tuesday needs to be watched very closely next week because cold air will be in place. Weather systems coming in for the southwest. That just spells a wintry mess in terms of freezing rain, sleet, and even some snow potential. But there's a lot of uncertainty. Models are starting to hint at something coming in Monday into Tuesday. And the reason that there's uncertainty is, well, you'll see the system coming in. Rain is looking obviously very likely for our Saturday, no doubt about that. But there's that system zipping through Chicago tomorrow. Here's the weekend system. Look at how far away it is. It's over 4,000 miles away. It goes up to the north over the Pacific Northwest and then drops back down to the southeast. And then as it moves in, that's going to bring some widespread precipitation. Tonight, we're in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Well, really, we'll say lower to middle 30s. Tomorrow, we're looking at close to 50 degrees. Really not a bad day, honestly. A little breeze, a little chill in the air on Thanksgiving. Nice weather as well. So those two travel days, no problem. Friday, you don't have any issues. Saturday, we got issues. But I will say this. I don't think there's going to be, a tremendous storm. Don't think we're going to get a whole bunch of floods. It looks like a slow soaker.
Right.
Not the best for a Razorback
but
outdoor
also
game.
not the worst.
Exactly. Not the worst. There could be some rumbles of thunder in the River Valley, maybe occasional lightning. I don't really expect that as much in northwest Arkansas. Next week, though, it's colder. We know the colder weather is likely. We got highs in the 40s and even some 30s, so it'll feel more festive. And then the Christmas parade just beyond the scope of the forecast.
Yeah, we're not liking that weather we're seeing right now.
It does look colder. There's no doubt about that. But it could